Tax season doesn't have to stress you. Most people panic because they fear making mistakes, but the truth is, filing your taxes online is simple if you know the steps. In this video, I'll show you how to file your taxes online without a single error, even if it's your first time. Before you start, collect everything. You'll need your income statements, identification numbers, proof of deductions, and any tax credit documents. This includes salary slips, investment statements, and donation receipts. Create one folder for all of them. Missing one file can delay your return or trigger a review. Go to your country's official tax authority website. Most have online portals for filing. Avoid fake sites that mimic official pages. If your country allows it, use certified tax filing software. These tools guide you through each step and reduce errors. Example, in the US, you use IRS Free File. In Nigeria, it's the FIRS e-filing system. Register with your national identification number, tax ID, or BVN. Use a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication if available. Once logged in, select File Tax Return. Follow the on-screen prompts. Most systems are designed to be step-by-step. Input all your income sources. This includes salaries, business earnings, rent, or investments. Double-check every figure. If your employer already submitted a summary to the government, confirm that the amount matches your record. Even small errors can trigger audits. Enter numbers exactly as shown on your income slips. This is where most people lose money. Select every deduction you qualify for: pension, insurance, school fees, or charitable donations. Then add any tax credits available to you. Credits reduce your final tax, so don't skip them. Most filing portals have built-in guides that highlight common deductions based on your income type. Before you submit, review your return line by line. Check for typos or wrong figures. Confirm your bank details for refunds. Look for missing attachments or unsigned declarations. Use the preview feature to download a draft. Compare it with your documents one last time. Once satisfied, click Submit. Wait for the confirmation message or email. Download the acknowledgement receipt and save it in both cloud and offline storage. That's your legal proof that you filed. If the system flags an issue, fix it immediately. Don't ignore follow-up messages from the tax office. Keep all your digital receipts for at least 3 years. Track your refund status online. Most platforms update within 2 to 4 weeks. Now you know how to file your taxes online in the right way. No stress, no errors, no surprises. Subscribe for more legal and tax lessons, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.